Open the box containing the faucet, boiler, soda chiller, and filter. Take them out of the boxes and packaging. Then prepare the tools and make everything ready. Make yourself familiar with all the parts of the faucets. You will need scissors, Phillips screwdriver, and spanner. Cut the ties on the faucet hoses. Remove the metal nut, metal washer, and rubber washer from the bottom of the faucet. Insert the faucet by feeding the hoses through the sink hole from the big to the small. Then put the rubber washer, metal washer, and the metal nut back and tighten it. Adjust the position of the faucet. Make it in place. Now secure the faucet tightly to the workshop by fixing the two screws. Connect the brass three-way connector to the cold water valve. Then we start the hoses connection from number 1 to number 8 in turn. Then connect number 1 hose to the three-way connector and tighten it. Connect number 2 hose to the hot water valve and tighten it. Insert the number 3 hose to the adapter. Cut 6 pieces of white tubes in 40 cm length. Then we start the connection with soda chiller. We recommend leaving at least 10 cm of free space behind the soda chiller. Remove the protective caps from the in and out connections. Insert one white tube to the smaller inlet of the three-way connector. The other end is connected to one end of the ball valve, which is then connected to the other end with a white tube. Insert the other end of the white tube into the water inlet of the soda chiller. Insert the white tube into the insulation sleeve. Insert the number 4 hose to one end of the ball valve. Insert the ready white tube with insulation sleeve into the other end of the ball valve. Then insert the pipe to the chilled water outlet. Insert the number 5 hose to one end of a ball valve. Insert a ready white tube with insulation sleeve into the other end of the ball valve. Then insert the pipe to the soda water outlet. Insert a white tube to the PRV outlet. Connect with one ball valve. Insert another white tube to the ball valve. Then connect the other end of white tube to the CO2 inlet. We finished the connection with the soda chiller. Find a suitable place to fix the CO2 cylinder besides the soda chiller. Stick the self-adhesive ties to the soda chiller. Wrap the cylinder and stick it back. Turn the main water supply. Check out the connections and make sure there are no leaks. Turn on the normal cold and hot water on the right side to make sure it works normally. Open the ball valves for controlling water. Make sure no leakage. Plug the soda chiller into the socket. Switch on the soda chiller. You will find it working from the pump for water coming into the soda chiller tank for around 2 minutes. Press the safety button and rotate the handle to the body side. Make sure the chilled water works normally. Adjust the CO2 at the pressure 4 bar. Turn on the ball valve. 1 minute later, turn on the sparkling water on the right side to make sure it works normally. Now we start connection with the water boiler. Remove the red and blue protective caps on the boiler. Connect number 6 hose to the inlet with blue nut. Tighten it. Remove the silicone washer from number 7 hose and put it on the outlet with red nut. Tighten it. Use the spanner to tighten the nuts. Connect the filter cartridge with the filter holder. Tighten it. Connect the number 8 pipe to the brass connector and tighten it. Insert the other end of the number 8 pipe to the filter inside. Insert bigger white pipe to the filter outside. Insert the other end of the white pipe to the three-way connector. Insert back all the blue chips. Press the safety button and rotate the handle to the wall. Fill water to the boiler tank around 1 minute. Fill the tank till the water comes out from the faucet spout. Plug the water boiler into the socket. Power the boiler with pressing the power button for 3 seconds and set the temperature. Initial heating time is about 8 minutes, from 20 Celsius degree to 98 Celsius degree. Let the boiler refill and boil. Repeat this operation twice to flush the filter and clean the tank before enjoying boiling water. Now you can get boiling water, chilled water, sparkling water, and normal hot and cold water.